So you want to solve a Rubik's Cube, but you actually don't know how. Well, lucky for you, I have the perfect tool that can help you solve it. The tool that I'm talking about is Grubiks. Grubiks is a free online website that you can use to solve your Rubik's Cube. Also super simple and easy to use. You can use it on mobile or desktop. All you have to do is open a new tab in your search engine and go to Grubiks.com. Grubiks will also be linked down below in the description. Once there, just click Rubik's Cube Solver, and there you go. Now just put in the colors that are on your scrambled Rubik's Cube onto the virtual one. You can rotate the virtual cube by dragging your mouse on desktop or swiping your finger on mobile. And once you have all the colors on, just click the button Solve and follow the instructions. If you need to go back, just press the back button and press the forward button to go forward onto the next turn. Now just follow Grubiks' guidance and your Rubik's Cube will soon be solved. Make note that if there is a white color needed, just leave the space on the virtual Rubik's Cube blank. It automatically counts as white. If you need to erase a color that you accidentally put on, just select the white color and tap or click your mistake and it will just turn blank. If you want to reset the whole cube, just press the reset button. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if Grubiks helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.